Welcome! If you're looking to update your workplace information on the Facebook app using your PC, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the latest steps so you can keep your profile up to date with the new Facebook update. Let's get started. First, open the Facebook app on your PC. Make sure you're logged in to your account. Once you're on the main page, look to the top right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile photo. Click on it. This will take you directly to your profile page. Now that you're on your profile, it's time to access your account details. Find and click on the About section. This section holds all your personal information, including your work and education history. Inside the About section, look for the tab labeled Work and Education. Click on it, and you'll see a list of your current and previous workplaces. Find the workplace you want to edit. Next to it, you'll notice 3 small dots. Click on these dots for more options. A small menu will appear. Choose the option that says Edit Workplace. This will open a new window where you can update your workplace details. Here, you can change your job title, company name, location, or any other relevant information. Once you've made your changes, take a moment to review everything and make sure it's accurate. When you're ready, click the Save button at the bottom of the window. Your updated workplace information will now be visible on your profile. That's it! You've just edited your workplace on the Facebook app using your PC with the latest update. Keeping your information current helps friends and colleagues stay connected with your professional journey. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more quick tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.